I'm Roberta, welcome to my kitchen. And today I'm also welcoming my friend Giovanni Pilu. Welcome,
Roberta,
Chef.
ciao, good to be here.
Okay.
I remember this kitchen quite a bit.
We had a bit of fun in here testing the recipes for a Sardinian cookbook.
Yes.
Now we're going to take this to the stove, right?
We're going to take it to the stove.
Okay, let's go.
Cut the bottom of the pan like that and then inside down. Probably give it now about 2 minutes. That's what you want.
Okay.
That colour, okay?
Okay, so our dressing for our Fregola salad, Chef, what do we need?
Lots of herbs. And this can be prepared a little bit in advance. Like put it in the fridge, but then you want to probably bring it to room temperature. So it's slightly pink in the middle. I'll be very happy with this.
Okay, I'm going to be very happy with this. We're going to
You
pour a
ready?
glass of Canna now. We're going to sit down and enjoy this for our lunch, and we hope you're going to do the same.